Good morning, my dear scientists of Primary 4. We're still in Unit 1, Lesson 3, the cell. Last video we talked about plant and animal cell. So, let's start to know the difference between them. What is the plant cell? Plant cell is the smallest building unit of plant body. If we take a slide of a plant tissue, for example, onion, under the microscope, what can we see? The first component we can see is the cell wall. The first component is the cell wall. The cell wall surrounds the cell, give the cell the definite shape. So the cell wall surrounds the plant cell, give it what? The definite shape. Number 2, plasma membrane or cell membrane. Plasma membrane is the gate or a barrier which controls substance from entering or leaving the cell. The plasma membrane, who said you enter and you leave. This is the gate, the barrier. Okay? The third component will be the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the fluid here. Fluid means liquid. Inside the cell, the plant cell, there are liquids here. What is this liquid? Or fluid. Not a liquid, it's like a gel. Not a liquid and not a solid. So it's named fluid. The cytoplasm fills the cell, in which all the cell components are suspended or found here. Also, all the biological operations happen here, inside the what? Inside the cytoplasm. Then we will find a very important component, which is the nucleus. The nucleus is responsible for cell division. Cell division means the cell become 2 cells, 4 cells and more. It's also organized the biological operations. So the nucleus said that happen and that not happen. Okay? This is the nucleus. Then we will find a green plastids or the chloroplast. The chloroplast is a very important component because it makes the food responsible or helping making of food during the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process. Chloroplast absorbs the sunlight. It also responsible for giving the plant the green color. The green color. The last component here we will find the subvacuole. Subvacuole. And you will know the name only of it. Only the subvacuole. So the component of the cell, plant cell, is the cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, chloroplast, and vacuole. So, what about the animal cell? If we take a slide of an animal tissue and examine it under the microscope, we will find that the first observation is that the animal cell has no definite shape. No definite shape. But why? Let's look to ourselves and a giraffe or a fish. We will find that we are completely different. We haven't a long neck. We haven't a tail. So, the animals differ from each other. So, the animal cell has no cell wall. Has no cell wall. The first component surrounding the animal cell is the cell membrane, which allow or a barrier allow what? The entering and leaving from the cell. The second component will be the cytoplasm, which is the fluid here fills the cell. Also we will find the nucleus. It's a main component here. the nucleus. Finally, we will find what? Vacuoles. There is no cell wall, there is no chloroplasts or green plastids. This is what? This is the animal cell and the plant cell. Finally, let's answer some questions. Write the scientific term. The living cell that contains chloroplasts is living cell that contains chloroplasts is plant cell. Number 2. Tiny structures spread in the cytoplasm of the plant cells and are responsible for photosynthesis process. Tiny structures spread in the cytoplasm in the plant cell, which will be what? Chloroplasts. Number 3. A cell component that organizes the biological operations of the cell. The cell component that organize all the biological operations, which is said which happen and which not happen. This will be what? The nucleus. Homework of today is the booklet page 45, 46, 49, and we will answer them next video. See you. Bye.